I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over Instagram organic traffic. And Instagram is a really powerful platform which not only allows you to drive traffic to your affiliate offers but build a powerful brand as well. We're on my Instagram page right now, and as you can see I've got my face, I've got my name on there, so I'm branding myself. So if we go into edit profile, you can see that this is my alias, which is the address of the Instagram page. So it's instagram.com/thebuilderallnomad. And then the name is really important, and it's important to put your keywords in your name. My keywords are affiliate marketing and nomad. If someone searches for affiliate marketing nomad in here, my name is going to be pretty close to the top because I'm ranking for that keyword. And until you reach 10,000 followers, this is the only place that you can put your website. You can't put links in any of your posts or anywhere else on Instagram. Once you reach 10,000 followers, you can start to put links in your Instagram stories. But right now, until you reach 10,000, this is the only place that you're allowed to put your website. On your main page, the website appears just below the bio. It's important to put a description in the bio, so it links to my YouTube channel, which tells of my story. I've got a little bit of a description just above the website about my channel and about my story. That links straight to my channel where it introduces that, so it's important to have your description here. In the bio as well, you want your name if you're branding yourself, and then some emojis to capture attention and make it stand out, and then you want to put keywords in here as well. I've got a few keywords in here like affiliate marketer and entrepreneur. Try and put a few keywords in the bio so when people search, Instagram is going to show you up for high ranking keywords such as affiliate marketer. Going back to the actual profile, the most important thing on Instagram, and the most important thing on any platform really, is content and the quality of your content. You need to provide value and some entertainment and help people out. If you haven't got good quality content, everything else here is not going to matter at all. It's also important to be consistent. You need to consistently be posting, not just post a couple of things and then stop. You should ideally aim to post once per day, at least once per day. A lot of the top profiles post 3 to 4 times a day. Consistency really is key. The more consistently you post and the more engagement you get on the posts, the more Instagram is going to push your posts out and get you on that coveted spot on the explore page. Of course, the first thing that people see is the actual image itself. The image needs to be captivating and it needs to draw people in to click onto your image to see what else you've put in the caption. Here you can see is one of the pictures I got from one of the Builderall Everest events, and it's not got as many likes as some of my other posts because it wasn't providing value. It was a caption of the event with just a tagline, Everest Germany 2019. There's no substance to it, there's no value, it's just an image of an event. A lot of the other pictures that I've posted have motivational quotes or a longer post going into something else, which tend to get a lot more likes and a lot more engagement. You might be wondering, how do you consistently post every day or up to 4 times a day like some of the big Instagram profiles? Well, you can spend hours per day creating your own content, taking hundreds of photos and editing them with motivational quotes or editing them with whatever you want to post about, whatever your channel's about. There's a much easier way where you can buy the content. On Fiverr, Fiverr.com, you can actually look for content to buy. You can get something like 1,000 Instagram quotes already edited with your logo and with the name of your website. You pay something like $10, $15, and they send you over the 1,000 quotes already edited with your logo and your website ready for you to post onto your Instagram. Of course, this saves tons of time and it's good if you're posting a lot, but if you want to get the most out of Instagram, you need to post your own stuff as well. As you can see, I've posted a lot of my own stuff, a lot of images from the traveling that I've been doing, It's good to have a mix of the motivational stuff if that's what you're going for, and also your own personal branding of what you're doing as well. Next is hashtags, and hashtags are really important on Instagram. Hashtags are probably more important on Instagram than any other social platform, but a lot of people get hashtags wrong. A lot of people go for the biggest hashtags that they possibly can in hopes to get a small amount of traffic. And if we look in here and type in, for example, motivation, we've got 18 million motivation quotes, which is absolutely huge. And then we click on here, and the only way that you're going to get traffic from hashtags is if you show up in the top posts area here. And to do that, you need to get a lot of engagement, and it's based on a lot of other factors as well, but it's hard to get on this top spot in the top 9 here. For example, if I now reload, you can see that that post has been pushed down almost 12 spots already in like the last 10 seconds. Stuff gets pushed down really quick when you're dealing with this many posts. Instead of going for motivation or motivational quotes or something in the tens of millions, look for something such as motivational has under 10 million. But we want something smaller. So motivational videos, 128,000, that would be a perfect one if you had a video. Something around the 100,000 mark to start off with. And then maybe 15 around the 100,000 mark, and then 10 around the million or 2 million mark to start off with, to get yourself going, because a new channel without many followers, without much engagement, is not going to be able to compete for these massive hashtags. Once you've got more followers, got more traffic, and got more shares, then you'll be able to compete with the bigger accounts for these bigger hashtags. Another important thing to do on your content is to ask questions. Try and get engagement, likes and comments, because the more engagement that you get, the more likes and comments, the more the algorithm is going to recognize it as a good post, and the more it's going to push it to more people, and it's going to show up on the explore page if it gets enough engagement. Asking questions such as caption this, or would you do this, what do you think of this, on certain images, certain pictures. So asking for engagement, asking for a tag, maybe tag someone who needs motivation, tag someone who needs this, stuff like that to get engagement up. Of course, Instagram wants you to spend time on their platform. The more time people spend looking at your posts and your videos, the more Instagram is going to push your posts out, because you're keeping people on their platform, which is what they really want. In this video, we went over Instagram organic